Hey folks, I'm Dr. J from TradeMonster.com. These guys, they're the kings of the pit. This is the world's busiest derivative exchange. It's the CME Group in Chicago. And I'm coming to Dublin on July 2nd and to Belgium on July 3rd. ISE Invest is sponsoring those events and they're going to be great. It's 349 euros to attend. You have to admit that's pretty cheap, especially when we're bringing folks in from all over the world to come into Dublin July 2nd and of course Belgium July 3rd. You can see all about it right down here. You go to ISE Invest and you can see about these two fabulous conferences. Same thing, if you can make Dublin on the 2nd, great, or Belgium on Saturday the 3rd, even better. It's going to be a fun time and you're going to get a lot of great strategies from me and a whole bunch of the folks at the ISE. I'm Dr. J from TradeMonster.com. I hope you can join us.
But if you want to hear how it is pronounced, it is beursopleiding.
Hi, this is Brian Shepard from the floor of the CME Group. Today's action is very muted at this point. It's definitely into the holiday mode at 11 o'clock, 11:30 Central Time now. What we saw this morning on the opening was a small, slightly lower, sorry, let me start over. Hi, this is Brian Shepard from the floor of the CME Group. What the S&P saw this morning was a slightly lower opening, which was followed by a quick pop above, and then that was preceded to sell off down to 94.5 area, 1094.5. We were able to get some footing, come back and test the high. We double topped there. We made a new high by one tick. After that, you know, I think the European markets dragged us lower. There was some negative news out of the banks and whatnot. More news out of Spain. We also saw some headlines early in the morning about Korea, you know, North Korea threatening this and that, you know. So I think there was a heavy cloud over the market. Even though we had month end this morning, there was some buying that came in, and it did pop back to test that high of the day and was firmly rejected. Right now, as we put out this morning, we look for a key level on the downside at 1088, and we previously had put out in the morning comment as well a big level of in the S&P, actually the cash would be 1104 half area. That's a 200-day moving average. We talked about it yesterday at the desk. It held yesterday. You know, the cash is closed. The overnight high in Globex was approximately in that area, and we had some depending upon how you do your technical analysis, we had some 200-day averages that were all in this 1100 area. That's why we felt it would be a key coming into this morning. And since the cash held, down went the futures market. We have the big level at 1088. If things were to pick up here and we took that out, the next target on the downside would be 1080 even. There's really nothing else to report at this point except to have yourself a great weekend, and from here on out, drink heavily and drive safe. Bye.